Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm talking about how to place the order in CNC, cash and carry, and MIS, margin intraday square off in Zarada with an example. And also I'm talking about what are the brokerage charges they charge to place the order, and talking about the features of regular order, cover order, AMO order in Zarada. To know, be in tune. Welcome back to Trading Manja and I am Manjunath. Okay, first let us start with CNC, cash and carry. CNC is the one where we can place the order and hold the order. You can hold for a day, for a month, or for a year, or for a lifetime also. And in CNC, you need to buy the order at the market price. Let me explain. If you going to buy the stocks in Wipro, you need to pay the market price of it. It may be 600 or 700. You need to pay full amount to buy the order. And one more thing, in Zarada they doesn't charge any brokerage charges to CNC order. But if you selling the order in the same day, they charge for some amount or some margin of amount. Okay, come let us place the order. To place the order, just click on the order which you need to place. I selecting Cola India and then click on long term CNC and add the number of quantity. You can add as you wish and select the type, market, limit, SL, SLM, and I select market to place the order. After selecting, just swipe to buy and then you can see the notification as completed, and then it comes to executed. After completion, you can see there buy Cola India is completed. Now come back and select portfolio. You can see here your order is in position. If you wish, you can sell it on the same day or you can hold it. After completion of a day, it comes to holding. And to sell, just click on the order which you buy and swipe up. You can see here, just click on exit and then swipe to sell. I think you all got it, how to buy and sell the order in CNC. Okay, let's come to MIS, the margin intraday square off. As the name indicates, intraday. You can place the order and sell the order in that day only. The intraday starts at 9:15 am and it ends at 3:20 pm. In MIS, you get a margin to place the order. It may be 20% or 30% or more or less. For different order, you get a different margin. Okay, if you buying a Wipro, for one quantity in CNC, you need to pay whatever the market price. Now at present, a Wipro stock price is around 610 rupees. I think so. You need to pay a full amount. But in MIS, you get a margin of 20%. It means you need to pay 110 rupees for one quantity. It means you get a 6 quantity in just a 610 rupees. I think you all gotten the clarity with margin. And if you want to calculate the margin for different order, is very simple. Just click on the Google and type Zarada margin calculator and tap on first link as margin calculator. Now you can see here there are many options. You can check the margin for future and option, equity future, commodity, currency, and as well as the equity. I selecting equity because I trading in equity for intraday. Okay, select equity and scroll down. Now you can see here in the left side the company list is given, and in the right side there is a margin percentage. The margin percentage which gives the margin to buy the stock. You can see here the list is given in the format of alphabets. Okay, I citing as Aarti Durga shares is 20% margin. It means so if the Aarti Durga price is 100 rupees in CNC, you get it in MIS in just 20 rupees for one stock, for one quantity. And you can also check the company by searching also. Just type the stock name, the list will come below. Okay, I think you all got an idea with respect to margin and margin calculator. Okay, come let's place the order in MIS. To place the order, just click on the stock which you need to buy, and select intraday and add number of quantity which I was explained in CNC similar to that, and select the type as market, limit, SL, SLM, and whichever you wish to place the order. And if you want to know the futures of market, the stop loss market, SLM and limit, just go through my video which is given in my description. In that I explain clearly how to place the order in stop loss, SLM, stop loss market and limit, and also how to set the trigger and how to fix the target, that and all. And if you are a beginner and if you are watching this video, the learning about the stop loss and how to place the trigger is most important. Please go through that video. It is more helpful for you. Okay, come back. After setting, just swipe to buy. And one more thing, you can see here the price of one stock is 32.21 rupees, but the market price is 161.15 rupees. It means you're getting the margin to place the order, which I have explained before. After swiping to buy, I will get a notification as completed, and then it comes to executed. You can see here your buy Kola India is completed, and then come back and select portfolio and select position. You can see here your order is in position. I think you all got it, how to place the order in MIS, margin intraday square. And similarly, to sell the order, click on to sell the order or to exit the order, just click on the order which you buy and tap on exit and swipe to sell. And in intraday, the brokerage charge is around flat 20 rupees or 0.03%, whichever is lower. And Zada made a simple way to calculate the brokerage charges. In that, you can calculate the brokerage charges just by feeding number of quantity and what amount you buy the stock and sell the stock. By adding this, you can get the brokerage charges. If you want to know deeply, I made a video regarding to this, how to calculate the brokerage charges. You can go through my video which is given the video link is given in my description. If you want, you can watch it. And one more thing, in MIS you can place the order in buy order and also in sell order. Regarding to this also I made a separate video. A video link is given in my description. And that's all. Thank you guys. I think you all got it, a clarity how to place the order in CNC and MIS. And the one last thing, in starting video I said that I will explain how to place the order in cover order and AMO order, but I not explained in this video because it's quite lengthy. So I explained that in my next video. The video link is given in my description. You can go through it. And thank you guys. Do support and do subscribe. Thank you guys.